How to find the gram settings on your digital scale. Let's begin. Okay, so this video is not sponsored, so I'm not going to be going over all the details of which scale I'm using exactly. I'm just going to pull out the scale and show you how it goes. So this is a portable digital scale, and it comes with two triple D batteries, excuse me. Well, it requires two triple D batteries. I had to go get them separately. Okay, so let's get that back on there. So what you do is get down on your scale here, and then you find the power button. I'm pretty sure everybody's familiar with a power button by now. Boom. So my scale is already set to grams, but if you was trying to find the measurement, well, the gram setting on your scale, you press the M button for measurement. And if you take a look in the right corner right here, you see how I went the ounce. So now it's measuring ounces. And now it's measuring in, I don't know, you can see that real good, but that's OZT. And I'm going to be honest with you, I don't know what that means. But DWT, excuse me, I don't know what that means either. So we're just going to keep going. All right, back into the juice. So what you do is you keep pressing the measurement button until you find your settings. Okay, boom. And every now and then, whenever you move these scales around, they tend to jump readings or whatever. So what I like to do is get it back flat. Now that it's on the gram setting, this should stay. Cut it off, and then cut it back on.